Started. Okay. So after collection, let's start some new topic that is very important, Java 8, right? So I'm telling you, after Java 5, major feature was introduced in Java 8, right? And after that, Java 11, Java 9 is there, 10 is there, right? We'll talk about little bit features, what was added in Java 8 first, right? So Java 8, we are going to learn in depth. Why? Because when you go to the industry, everybody is using Java 8 and Java U8 is used a lot everywhere. And in Java 8, we have many features altogether, right? So before talking Java 8 features, we'll talk a little bit, let's have a background of it, right? So I'm going to talk about anonymous class. Please, let's understand. If you don't understand, ask questions here and there. Clear? What is the anonymous class? So today you'll be surprised. A class without name is called anonymous class. Oh, it's not confusing?
Yes.
What is the meaning of it? Class without name, right? It's called anonymous class. So question is how we can make an anonymous class, right? Let's do that. I'm just telling you the definition of it first. Anonymous class. Anonymous class. Can you help me to write it?
Yeah, no.
Hey, what is the definition of it?
Class with
Class
non-binary class.
without name is called anonymous class. I hope it is clear, right? Yep.
Yes.
How to make an anonymous class?
Without giving name.
If you want to make a, there is a special syntax of it. First of all, I would show you how to make a class, right? And then I will show you how to make an anonymous class. See, anonymous class you cannot make independently. You need some existing interface and hey, what is the prerequisite to make an anonymous class? You need pre-existing interface or class. You need either what? Can you help me? An interface or class. Hey, can we create an anonymous class independently?
No.
Existing interface or a class. Fine. So you tell me if I want to create a class, I can do class A, right? Extends B. Can you do it like this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. So I'm going to make a anonymous class with the help of B. So here, this class is anonymous class or it is named class. Any guess?
Name class.
Is named class because it has name. So I'm just making a class B first. Can you help me to write it? Class B. This class B has a method, right? Public void run. Mhm. This method. And this run method is not doing anything, right? If you want, you can add some method, some statement system dot out dot println. Sir, if you understand, you have to say I got it.
I got it.
E. Sorry. B. Simple, simple. So now you can make an object of A. Can you make an object of A? You can say super simple, right? New. Mhm. You are making an object of it, right? So this reference you can hold in A, then you can call. This program will run or not? Yes, you know?
Yes.
A, it
Hey,
will work, right? Because you are making an object of A, everything which is in B, it would be the part of A. And you are saying A dot run. So it will call B, right? This run method. Confused?
no.
And in anonymous class, you can anonymous class, right? When you actually you design this class on the fly. Let me show you the syntax of it. It is little weird, but we have. So what is syntax of it? To create an anonymous class of the class what? B, right? So like here, right side, right? Left side you will keep B, right? And right side, mhm, you have to use new, right? Hello.
Yeah.
You would do new. I want to make an object of the class which does not have any name, but it extends class B. See, When you normally we make object like this, right? Are you following me?
Yes.
See, yes. Like here you are not going to put semicolon over here. No, here you will put curly bracket open and close. You see the difference? Here you are saying new b, you are not making an object of b. No, no, no. If you make an object of b, you have to use semicolon. Here you are saying new, this is the anonymous class, right? Extends, keyword is not here. Are you following me? You do new, just b, parenthesis, you are calling this constructor, curly bracket open and close, and semicolon. You got it? Here I am making an object of not b, I am making an object of a class. Why? Curly bracket open and close, you are giving class definition. And this anonymous class, I am redefining the method. Which method? Public void run. People reply. You have to understand this syntax. Huh? And what we are going to do? System.out.println. Magic. Sajana, I'm not making an object of B, right? Why? If you make an object of B, your syntax will be, let me show you. Here. If you make an object of B, your syntax will be like this. Say yes.
Yes.
Hello. Here you see right side, left side same, but right side new B means I am creating an object of creating.
So Nagen, isn't this method overriding?
Yeah. This is more override in the here new B means you are not creating an object of B. You are new B parenthesis curly bracket open and close means because of curly bracket open and close, right? So you are extending a class B, right? So here I can say creating instance of, just a second. Creating instance of a class which extends class B. You got the syntax? Man, magic is in the syntax, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the specialty of it? New B. But here we don't have semicolon immediately. You have curly bracket open and close. Sajana, you got it? So you are saying whatever in extend B, whatever definition is there in the B, I am overriding it, right? Overriding the method. How many people understand this syntax? I'm not getting any response. I am unmute.
No. That means you have to repeat it again.
Sure, not a problem. Like you see the syntax, sir. New. And you are making an object of B, right? So here you are not making an object of B. New means, oh man, I don't know. You know how to make an object? First of all, answer my this question.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you make an object, then you use parenthesis and semicolon immediately. Here I'm not using semicolon. We have curly bracket open and close. Means you are giving new definition of the class which is extending B, right? You see here?
Mhm.
Why you're not replying?
Yes.
New B means you are creating an object of a class which extends B because curly bracket open and close is there, and this run method you are overriding from the B class, right? So if you call the bb dot
Then it will be magic.
run method, so you should understand. Here I am passing and right side has an object of subclass, right? Anonymous class. So definition will come from the right side. You know this, right? So what it will print? Magic.
Magic.
That's okay.
If still is not clear, let me know. I can show you some example of it, right? It's not a big deal, but we have to do practice of a lot or of writing anonymous class. Then I will tell you the benefit of it, right?
Somebody else could
So let me come to the idea.
ask question again.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Ask questions.
Can you also have new attributes in the child class?
Of course. 100%. Is it true for normal inheritance? Yeah, true. Whatever concept is there, same concept is here. So you can add some attribute also, right? You can do that.
A new method.
Okay. Let me show you one more example of it. And please help me. You got my point?
Yes.
Just a sec. Give me a second. I would like to show you one more example. Please, you have to say no if you don't understand, okay? But if you don't do the practice, your Java 8 will be easy to you. I'm going to write a new thing. Help me. Hey, I'm going to make an anonymous class with the help of interface. Allow me. I have the interface. Interface.
Yeah.
What is interface? Interface is a similar to class which contains only method definition, and it is used to expose the functionality. An end user can access all the functionality without knowing implementation with the help of interface. An interface concept is used everywhere in the projects. You cannot imagine your project without interface. Uh, Here I'm just writing a class speaker, right? In a speaker, we have a method. Allow me. And I'm just adding one method, one method, right? Declaration. And all the method in the interface are abstract.
Yes.
White and sound. A, it is not taking any parameter, right? So this method is abstract method or not in the interface? Yes, it is abstract. No need to mention it. Can I write it? Yeah. But by default, all the method in the interface are public and abstract. You write or not doesn't matter. Make sense? If you do not remember the interface, right? I'm telling you, it's very bad. In interface, do I need to write abstract and public, or I can make it optional? Any guess?
Optional.
Hmm?
Optional.
Optional. So that's fine. This interface contains how many method declaration or how many abstract method? Any guess? This interface contains how many abstract method? Any guess?
One.
One. An interface which contains only one abstract method. That interface is called functional interface. What? This is functional interface. Why, man?
Because it contains only one.
Yeah. An interface which contains only one abstract method, then it is called functional interface. It is clear to everybody, or you got confused?
Yes.
An interface which does not contains anything, like a runner. So this interface does not contains anything, right? In this, we do not have any attribute and we don't have any method declaration, no abstract method. This kind of interface is called marker interface. Please remember it. It is called what? Marker interface. And I can give you some example, right? Marker interface. Example is like clonable. I will teach you clonable. It is in my agenda. Nibble. Serializable. These are the example of what? Marker interface. Random access. Reply. Event listener. Are you with me? Clonable, serializable, random access, event listener, remote. I'm just writing 5, but there is many more. I don't know all. Hey, who will tell me difference between functional interface and marker interface? Who will tell me? Sanjeev, are you there? Sanjeev, could you please tell me difference between marker interface and functional interface? Sanjeev is not in the class, right? Sir, reply. Otherwise, I always confuse. I have some internet issue or something else.
I don't think he's in.
Oh my God. He's not in the class? It's okay.
No.
Okay. Pujan, can you answer this question? Who's Pema? Pema. Who is Pema?
In the class.
Pema, can you answer this question?
What was the question?
This is very, very bad. Are you sleeping in the class?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm saying, are you sleeping in the class?
No.
Then why you asking these questions, right?
I can
Let me
say.
tell you again. Just a second.
Okay.
See, in my class, please, when you are in the class, just be in the class. Remember it. Second time onwards, I cannot repeat the questions. Question is, what is the difference? Do you understand? What is the marker interface and what is the functional interface? That's question.
So the functional
Define.
interface have one abstract method and marker have multiple.
Marker does not have anything.
Oh, really? Oh, so no abstract.
Note. This is blank. It does not contain any method declaration. People try to understand the seriousness of this training. Clear? If I make some decision, then it's very bad for everybody. Clear?
Okay.
So again, I'm telling you, if I am teaching something and you think you don't understand, so you can blame to me as well. You can say, sir, you are not doing good, right? The way you are teaching is really bad. You are wasting my time. I would like to hear this kind of feedback. Okay, so simply I can improve it. So regarding the slide, is clear to everyone? Who can summarize it? Let me call someone name. Samrat. Who is Samrat? Samrat, are you there? What's going on today?
Me?
Samrat is not there.
I'm here.
Yeah, Samrat, tell me, what do you understand by the marker interface and what do you understand by functional interface? Samrat, just be quick, please. No idea. Samrat, I'm waiting for you. If you don't know, say I don't know. No problem. Samrat, you may be speaking. You are on mute.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
So why you are not saying I'm not sure? Why you are waiting? You are in the class or you are attending online?
Attending online.
So why you are muting yourself again and again? So tell me, are you doing something parallel or you attending my session?
I'm sorry.
You right now you are in the session with me or you are attending something else as well parallel? You are doing something else. That's my question.
Oh, I'm taking your class right now.
So it means whatever I'm teaching you, you are not able to understand. You are in my class from the beginning or you joined just between, like few days back?
I joined in the middle.
Okay, next time onwards, if I'm asking some question, if you don't know the answer of it, immediately say I don't know. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is MP?
Oh, this is me, Nagendra, Mahesh.
Nice. Yeah, can you explain to it?
So the marker interface, is something that doesn't contain any kind of method declaration. And what was the other one?
Functional interface.
Functional interface is that contains one abstract method, you know.
That's it.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's the short and sweet.
Functional interface is interface which contains exactly one abstract method. Only one abstract method, right? Done.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now I want to make anonymous class on the basis of that. Can you help me? My dear friends, I will take Monday, I will take some test and I'll figure out who is not doing anything. No need to be in the session. I don't care, right? I'm telling you right now. If anybody is not serious, if I found, no need to be in this session. You can attend somewhere else. I don't care. Because your time is important or not, my time is important. Simple as that. Okay. So I'm just coming to the topic, right? Let's make one interface. Interface. Otherwise, what happened after session? You guys will simply blame to the training, right? I was part of the training. I don't understand anything. Training is very, very bad. I don't want that. Here, I'm just making a functional interface. Can you help me for that? Yeah, interface speaker. And here you are just writing public white sound. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, let's make an anonymous class for it. And we have to do practice of it. Can we try?
Yes.
Like here, left side, you will make the reference of speaker, SP. Right side, Sajana, new speaker, right? You cannot make an object of interface. You know, this syntax is correct, Sajana? No, this code will not compile. Why? Why? I'm trying to make an object of interface, which you cannot do it. Am I right?
Yes.
But using new interface, instead of writing semicolon, you can say, I want to give the definition on the fly, curly bracket of open and close. So what you are doing? You are making an object of a class which is implementing speaker. And when your anonymous class implement speaker, then you have to override its abstract method. Yes, you know?
Yes.
Yep. Override it. One abstract method is there to make your anonymous class concrete class, complete class. You have to override it. And you need to digest this syntax. Otherwise, let me know. I can explain you until you really clear with.
Again, are we writing that object? Are we making that anonymous class above the main method or?
No. Everything I'm doing in main method, sir. Without main method, it will not work, right?
Oh, so everything should be in main method. The interface speaker too.
Yeah. No, interface you can make outside the class, right? Let me do it, man. I'll do it. Okay, just give me a second.
Yeah.
Try to understand this.
Yeah.
Here, tell me, I'm making here an object of speaker, or I'm making an object of the anonymous class which is implementing speaker.
Object of anonymous.
Anonymous class.
Anonymous class. How we came to know? Because after parenthesis we don't have semicolon. Semicolon is not here, right?
Yeah.
Curly bracket open and close is there. It means you are not making an object of a speaker. You are making an object of the class which is implementing speaker. That's why curly bracket open and close is definition of anonymous class, right? Let me write it. No semicolon here. Curly bracket open and close, and see semicolon we have to write here in the last. Sajana, in the last, because this is the end of the statement, right? Semicolon is end of the statement. And curly bracket open and close is what? Definition of what? Help me. Curly bracket open and close is what?
Anonymous class. Anonymous.
It is the definition of the anonymous class, right? This is definition of
Anonymous.
anonymous class. Is clear? It is the definition of anonymous class. So how you can call this method? Any guess? You can say hey interface dot, any guess? Dot sound. Sajana, is clear to you or you got confused?
Here.
Let me make this program in the editor. So somebody is confused where we should write what. Okay, I'm going to show you. Sir. Here I'm just making package, right? So that everything you can easily distinguish it. Java 8 package and new class sound main. Let me know if you think I am moving fast. Okay. Here I have to make the interface of sound. Sound no speaker. And what method? Public abstract wait sound. It's clear, right? Yep.
We don't have to write public abstract too, right? It's optional, right?
No. It is optional. I told you. Spelling mistake. I think I did. Abstract.
Yeah, right.
You see. So no need to write it because in interface all the method which you declare it is public abstract by default.
Okay.
So this and this both are same. And on top of the interface, it is also an abstract, right? You write or not doesn't matter, right? Nobody write abstract here because interface is abstract by default. Interface is abstract by default. Okay, yeah. So main method, right? And here, what you can write, you can make the interface reference. And what about right side? Can you see my speed?
Speaker. Yes.
Oh, new control space bar is automatically coming, right? Oh, nice. How? New speaker means you are not making an object of it. Your new speaker, parenthesis, no semicolon, means you are making anonymous class definition, open and close. In my anonymous class, I am just overriding this method sound, which is inherited from interface. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Music is on. Okay. It's clear. Now you can call this method. What man? Dot sound. So here I'm making an object of the class which name you don't know. Am I right? Here we are making object of the
Public one hierarchy.
class.
Anonymous.
Here we are making an object of the class which name is
No.
not defined. Which name is not there? Which name is not there? Right? Oh, is it? This is called
Anonymous.
anonymous class. Okay, done. Anybody have any question, query?
So why do we make anonymous class,
Oh, nice. I'm trying to, give you some fruits. Okay, take some fruit, please eat. Right? I'm trying to feed you, and you are saying, hey, why I should eat fruit? Oh, I'll tell you the reason. Okay. First of all, you should understand what it is, right? Then you can say again why you taught it. I understand. You understand this concept? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sometime you have to make anonymous class because you don't want to make any class. It is going to be used only one time. Tell me, if you want to design a class and you know that class is going to be used only one place and one time, so this kind of coding is good or not? In this, no need to make any extra class. You are making class definition on the fly. That's benefit of it. What is it? If you want to give class definition on the fly, right, and you don't want to use many places, so what is the best solution? To make a complete class or you make an anonymous class? Any guess?
Anonymous class.
Anonymous class. Benefit is no need to create extra file, right? That's benefit is. And when you give the definition, you make the anonymous class, right? Nobody can use this class anywhere else. So this is also allows you to achieve encapsulation. Can I say anonymous class provides better encapsulation?
Yes.
Yes.
Because nobody can copy your source code. It is just only at this place, right? And it is only available within the method. Nobody can use this definition outside the method, right? Yes, this is called encapsulation. Done. I'll show you many use of anonymous class soon. Okay.
I have one
So this
question.
coding style, please go with question.
Why are you writing reference dot? Could you go to
Actually, when you make the object of anonymous class, right, which you implementing speaker, right? So right left side you need some reference or not. This you can give anything, Sajna. Any name you can give, right? Doesn't matter. This is just a variable name. Make sense?
Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah.
So this concept is clear. Left side will have reference of superclass and right side is the object of subclass, which is anonymous class. This concept I taught you already when I was doing OOPS concept, right? Object oriented concept. Please, if you don't understand this, tell me, because this I'm going to use moving forward everywhere. So let me show you one more example. Simple. Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
I need your help. Class name is eater. And I'm not making class here. I'm just making interface. You know the difference between interface and class, right? And here you can write method public void, right? Do not eat. Method name is do not eat. And in this method declaration, and here you are just passing integer number, right? And this is going to return integer value. So you got the signature of it, or you got confused?
Got it.
Got it. Hey, this is marker interface. Say yes, you know.
Yes.
Who said yes?
Only one. It is a method.
This is marker interface or functional interface?
Functional.
That's functional.
Okay. Class. I'm just writing complete code and please help me. Here in this example, this will be eater.
New eater.
Sajna. New eater, and you have to override which method? You know. Do not eat. And here you have to pass parameter integer num. And what you have to return over here, Sajna? Integer value, right? Because you are overriding method. When you override the method, name should be same, input parameter should be same, and return type should be same. You know that. In this way, in this definition, what I'm supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do? Only God knows. Whatever number is coming, right? I'm going to multiply 3 times. Integer tempa num into num into num into num. And return it. Sajna, right? This method is saying whatever input you will give me, I will do some computation. Eventually, I will return the value. You got it? Yeah. How you can call it? You can do eat and you can call the method. Which method? Do not eat. And you can pass some parameter, Sajna. When you want to call this method is saying I'm supposed to take a number 4. And what it will return eventually after calculation, when you call it 4 num into 4 into 4 into 4, 64 tempa is returning. When some method returns some value, Sajna, you have to store in a variable, right? And after that you can print it. What? System dot println. Should I show you more examples or now this is clear?
Clear.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes.
So can I say this anonymous class is based on functional interface? Is it right? This anonymous class is based on what?
Functional interface.
Remember it. This is special anonymous class, which is based on
So
functional interface.
interface if it has more than one abstract method.
Yeah, maybe. So you have to override all, right? But here, this functional, this anonymous class is based on. This is a special anonymous class which is based on functional interface, but it's not mandatory, right? Your anonymous class can be based on marker interface. It can be based on non-functional interface, right? In an interface which contains multiple declaration. In that situation, you have to override all the method.
Okay.
Make sense? Or you got confused?
Makes sense.
So again, we are the one we are doing is just using interface right now. Can you show one program that uses the classes? You know, the
Yeah. That's not a big deal, right? Same fashion. In class, you cannot you can override the method and you have option in the class. That's it. So what the difference it will make? Tell me. No difference.
interface will not be there.
Instead of writing interface, you can write class. Same syntax. But in interface, you have to override the method for sure. Am I right?
Yeah.
But in class, you have an option. You can override and you cannot. It is up to you.
And I can
Hello.
tried making an anonymous class from the parent class, but I was not able to write any new methods.
Can you come again? New method in this?
Yeah.
You can write n number of new method. No problem. In anonymous
How
class.
do we access those? How do you call those methods then?
You cannot call it. You can call with the help of this overridden method only.
Okay.
But you can write it, right? Your question is, can we write it? You can it. Your question is, if I write it, can I call it? Answer is no. You cannot directly call it.
Why would you write it if you cannot call it?
You can use internally.
Can you show us how?
Right?
Okay, I got it.
I'm crying. I'm crying. No problem. I can write it. Let me do that. Mocha. Mocha is a class. And public void. I have to cry. Okay, done. Like here. Okay, done. Okay, you can write a main method. Yeah. And you want to make an anonymous class. How? Right? New, right? You see my style, right? Mocha, right? It's not coming. Cheating. Like this. Can you see this? Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Now you can override the method. You cannot. It is up to you, right? If you want to override it. Because it is a class, right? If it is an interface, you have to override it for sure. Guaranteed. Override method. His concern was, can we add extra method over here? Answer is yes. Public, void, happy. Huh? Are you following me? Here I'm able to add it, right? But you can internally, whom can call this method? Yeah. I told you, right? You can use only internal purpose. But question is, this extra method, can we call from outside the class? Answer is no. We can not call this method. Sajana, this method we cannot call outside this anonymous class. Why? Reason is there. Anonymous class. Why? Because you are calling this with the help of Mocha. In Mocha, only is there, right? Nothing else. So you can call dot. But you cannot call happy. That was his question. Why you cannot call happy, man? Because happy is present in anonymous class, but this method declaration is not in this. I told you, you forget my formula? Left side will decide whether you can call this method or not. How? If you want to check happy can be called on or not, you can check in Mocha. Hey Mocha, do you have happy method in this? Mocha is saying no, right? So left side decide whether you can call method. You remember my formula which I taught you in when at the time of teaching you object-oriented design principle?
Yes.
Oh man.
Yeah,
I told you, if you follow my formula, you will never get confused. My formula says left side interface, this left side declaration decide whether method is accessible or not. Tell me, hey Mokka, happy is accessible. It's like no. I have only you cannot call happy. Okay, so no need to talk about definition. So in anonymous class, if you write any extra method which is not declared in this class or interface, you cannot access it. You can only use internally. Confused? Okay. So if you understand this much, let me show you one interesting situation. Can you help me? I'm going to show you very interesting situation. Sir. Sir. So I'm just making one interface. This should be boring now because I'm repeating the same thing again and again. Speaker, yep. And in this, I'm just writing a method. Public void sound. Sajana, this is clear, right? How to make an anonymous class of it? Hey, it is marker interface or functional interface?
Functional.
That's a functional.
Sure.
100%.
I want this kind of confidence.
Oh,
So again, what we call the interface that has like so many of the abstract methods.
non-functional.
Very good. If you are not man, then
Not man.
if you're not man, it means you are man. Simple. Okay. Just kidding.
No.
Just functional, not non-functional. Or you can say normal function, normal interface.
Okay.
Public, static, white, main. Can you help me? Same thing. Hey. I'm showing you the interesting thing.
Yes.
Your answer should be nothing is interesting so far. It is repetition. I know. Here I'm just writing speaker interface reference. You can give any name, right?
Yes.
Yes. New. Can you see syntax, right? Open and
Yes.
close, no semicolon. No, excuse me, right? No semicolon. Curly bracket open and close, and then semicolon. This is the definition of anonymous class, right? A class which does not have any name implementing speaker. Now you have to override this method. How to override it? Same, na? Right? I'm able to do it, right? Yep. In order to code readability, you can here write auto override. It is an optional, right?
For only class, right?
Only on method, right? In method overriding, if you're overriding some method, then you can write it on method. Sound. I like sound. Hello. So you tell me, what my observation is. You have to tell me. In case of anonymous class, right? So whatever you have in left side, same thing we have to write after new or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Other people, you need
Yeah.
to understand what I'm thinking is. What Java thinks. Okay. Java is thinking. This is important. I'm going to same thing, right? I'm going to write it again. See the comparison. Little bit. I'm slowing down my speed. Sajana, tell me. Like, whatever you have left side, right? Same thing we have right side or not? Yeah. And whatever method you have in speaker, right? Same method I'm overriding or not? Tell me, this is repetition or not?
Yes.
Whatever you have left side, same thing you are writing. Whatever you have in the interface, you are just writing it, right? Java says, do not, this is the thing which is fixed, right? In case of functional interface. In case of functional interface, what is the fixed? I'm just talking about a special case. What? When my anonymous class is based on functional interface, right? So in case of functional interface, hey, what is the fixed? What do you mean by fixed? Let me tell you. Fixed thing is whatever you have left side, this name and this name, and method declaration also, right? So see, there will be only one method because it is a functional interface, and public void sound will come from the interface, right? So what you can do, Sajana, Java says don't do all those things. So what I should do? It says you just write left side, and for right side, Sajana, it says don't write this class name and don't write the method declaration. You just start with definition, curly bracket open and close, right, Sajana? So what we should do? We should just use parentheses. Can you see this? Parentheses, and then we can use this arrow operator. Then you can use curly bracket open and close, a and semicolon. Can you see this? Hello. It says don't write new speaker, that is understood. Don't write public void sound, that is I can pick it from left side, not a big deal, right? Only just write the parentheses. After parentheses, use arrow operator, curly bracket open and close, and you just put the semicolon after the method. So tell me which one seems to be good and compact. Second one. This is same as previous one. What we are not writing? Public static println. Like, you got the shortcut? Same thing. You can go backward, right? I lost it. Give me a second. You can go back, right? Same thing, same thing. Either you write like this here. People, I will write this thing. This you have to just be habitual of this. System.out.println. You can write 9999. My dear friends, do you understand the syntax or not? What changes? You have to reply. Don't write this class, new class, and don't write this method. You start from this parenthesis, Sajana, parenthesis, and just use arrow operator, curly bracket open and close, and semicolon, and just write the definition as it is. You got this much? So this and this both are equivalent. What? This and this both are equivalent. So which one would you like to write? First this one or this one? Both are same. Either you write this or either you write this. Okay. This is called writing in this style. It is called Lambda expression. What? Lambda expression. Java 8 support Lambda expression, which is the short form of anonymous class. Can I say that? Lambda expression is a short form of what?
Anonymous class.
Lambda. No. You have to. No, it's not complete. Lambda expression is short form of anonymous class, which is based on. Complete the sentence. Any anonymous class you cannot represent as a lambda, Sajana. Any anonymous class you cannot represent as a lambda. Only which class? Lambda expression is a short anonymous class which is based on functional interface. Please remember it. Any class, any anonymous class can be converted into lambda? No. Anonymous class which is based on functional interface. Got it?
So does that arrow means method?
Yeah. Arrow means this is the input for the method, and arrow means lambda function, and this is the definition of the method. That's it, Sajana.
Okay.
Arrow means you are giving the definition of this method. This method does not take any parameter.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh my God, yes.
I got it. Let me show you some example. And this you have to do practice so that even though you are sleeping, right, you should be able to write it. Because Java 8 is based on lambda expression. So let me show you the couple of examples. Can you help me? Yeah. I'm not here. Tell me. Lambda expression.
Do we use marker interface to
No.
create name, right?
Now you can use marker interface to create a anonymous class. You can do it, right? But there would be no use of it. You will not see this, right?
Thank you.
Hey, can you help me for one class, please? Interface.
We're not here.
Mathematics. Utils, right? Utils. Can you help me? Please? This and method name. I need to use function interface, right? Method name is cube, and it is taking one parameter. You know cube, right? Mathematics. This is done. This is functional interface. You can say again, don't tell me again and again. I remember it for now. Okay. I'm not going to repeat it. Done. Oh, I want this kind of impression. You see my style? Wow. You would say, oh,
Low.
yeah, I'm not fast. This is the magic of editor. You see, you can say, yeah, I see. So what you can do here, you can multiply the same number 3 times, Sajna. Two, tum. Is correct? Hello.
Yes.
So this method is supposed to multiply the same number 3 times and returning back. Oh, nice. Somebody is saying again, why you are doing this boring job? Can you write it a lambda? Why not? I need your help. Just rename it M1 and M2. What you need to delete, Sajna? Sajna would say, again, delete this and delete this name, right?
Yes.
Just keep only parameter and after that use arrow operator. You got the formula? And curly bracket open and close. Here you can write semicolon. Done. Sajna. So both are same syntax, right? Either you start from this, right? Yeah. Method and use arrow operator, curly bracket open and close and semicolon. Clear? Or you got confused? In this method definition, right? From where you have to start to make it as a lambda, you can start with method parameters, Aina. This one. Equal method input. After it, use arrow operator. Curly bracket open and close. After close, you put semicolon. Done. Delete everything else. Is it clear or you got confused? Clear. And after this, lambda says, in my definition, curly bracket open and close is called the definition of the method. This definition contains how many statements, Sajna? One statement or multiple statement?
Statement.
Only one statement. See, return this and this, multiply. How many statements we have in this function definition?
3.
One.
Every statement is terminated by semicolon. It has only one statement. How many statement?
One.
I'm saying in this method definition, how many statement we have? Only one semicolon, man. Every semicolon terminate one statement. In this, we have only one statement. Let me show you the multiple statement. You guys are really sleeping. This is, see, hello, hi. Up tell me how many statement we have to all together. You can say semicolon. Dekho. Semicolon 1, 2, 3. We have total 3 statement. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how many statement we have?
2.
Now
One.
one statement. If your lambda function, if lambda expression in JavaScript, we say function, lambda function, but in Java, we say it is lambda expression. If your lambda expression has only one statement in the definition, then you can make it more compact, Sajna. Meaning, let me show you. I'm just writing another, syntax of the same thing. M3, if you have only one statement, Sajna, then you can delete the bracket also. Can you see this? And whatever definition is there, you just cut it and paste it and semicolon. Oh, what happened?
Okay.
it is super duper compact. Why? It says in definition you have only one statement. So what you can do, delete return and this much. You just put it after it. Done. This happened because of
Only one statement.
only one statement. Okay, Lambda says you can make it more compact. What?
Okay.
How? Again, 4 in method parameter, right? No need to mention the data type, Sajna. You can omit it. Whew. Because data type, it says I can pick it from left side. Okay. This is again more compact, right? You can make it more compact. How? It says in the parameter input, we have only one parameter. You can omit parentheses also. Oh, nice. This is the final format of,
Oh.
hello. This is the final format of this anonymous class. You have to decide, right? Do you want to use this, or you want to use this, or you want to use this, or you want to use it? Okay. You can call the method. You can call the method m5 dot cube, right? And you can pass some number 7 or 5, right? 5 cube is 1 to 5. Sajna, you understand this syntax? Because this we have to do practice for next session. I'm telling you, if you're not able to write all these things, then it's really, really very, very bad. I've done it. You can print the result. Done. And you can run it. Done. So this is a little bit about lambda expression. Lambda expression we can only write for anonymous class, which is based on functional interface. So dear friends, and this in Java, we have a lot of functional interface that you have to know when to use.
Lambda expression.
Yeah, it is there. It will make your syntax super duper simple. But thing is, you need to understand, right? Because I will write only this much, but you have to go back up to this much. So please go and digest it, because you need to understand this is just method definition, right? Which you are overriding. Sajna, you have to always think like this, right? You have to always think like this. This is equivalent to this one, and this is equivalent to this much. Okay, you think like this. So you will always see in lambda expression, you will always see the function skeleton, right? Input, definition of it. Done.
So if we have multiple statements, we can't convert it into this compact form, right? No.
And you can't do that. You can't do that. If you have multiple statement, you will be only up to here. You cannot go further. Curly bracket, you cannot omit it. Curly bracket only you can omit it when you have only one statement.
Okay.
And parentheses, you can omit it when you have only one parameter. If you have multiple parameter, you cannot omit the parentheses also.
Makes sense.
Sir, I have done with this topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, guys, we are progressing well. And if you want to really learn this Java 8 features, already recording is there. If somebody wants to watch in advance, you can watch it. Everything is there. But in my session, honestly, I'm telling you, if you are thinking you will not do anything and you just come to the session, right? Even you are sleeping, you can understand it's not possible. Try to understand.
Okay.